Hello, dear friends. Welcome to this video. My name is Guruji Sunil Chaudhary. I am a leading digital success coach. In this video, I'm going to talk about Facebook ads. Why should you learn Facebook ads? What are the benefits of Facebook ads? What is the income potential if you master the Facebook ads? So, let's get started. So, first of all, let me talk about the power of Facebook ads. Okay. So, Facebook ads are a game changer for any digital coach looking to grow their business. If you are a digital coach and if you want to grow your business exponentially, then Facebook ads is your first and I would say foremost advertising option. Imagine you can reach your ideal audience with the help of Facebook ads. You can generate leads and you can convert them into your students or clients all on autopilot. Yes, you can create a system which is working 24 into 7 and you are converting your leads into your customers, clients, and students. Now, the question is why Facebook? Because your audience is on Facebook. Most of the people are using Facebook. Many of them are using Instagram. Many of them are using LinkedIn. But they all are using Facebook. Facebook is the number one biggest social media platform. So you can always find your audience on Facebook. Let's talk about the income potential. So once you master the Facebook ads, you have massive income potential. Not only income potential, you can actually say that you have impact potential. You can impact thousands and millions of people with the help of Facebook ads. With Facebook ads, you can easily scale your business quickly and consistently. Facebook ads are affordable. So whether you are selling a course, your coaching programs, or consulting, Facebook ads are the key to unlocking a stream of high-paying clients consistently. So if you learn Facebook ads, there are so many benefits, not only for digital coaches. I would say everybody should learn Facebook ads. What is the harm? It is very affordable to learn Facebook ads. So once you learn Facebook ads, you have multiple powers. You can grow your business. You can sell your products. You can provide as a service. You can control your own growth. No need to rely on expensive agencies. Yes, because agencies charge a lot. So once you are spending maybe 5 lakh rupees a month on Facebook ads, then you can consider hiring an agency. But unless you are spending 5 lakh rupees a month on Facebook ads, I would say that you run your own ads. You run your ads personally because Facebook ads are cost effective. You can start small with 200 rupees daily or 100 rupees daily and you can scale. Once you find that your ads are working, you can always scale your Facebook ads. You can target the exact audience you want to work with. For example, if I want to work with the audience who are interested in ranking on Google, so I can run an ad on Facebook, which is targeting the Facebook page admins, the business owners, the people who are interested in digital marketing, the people who are engaged shoppers, the people who have used Facebook payments in the last 30 days. So these are the targeting options I can give. So my efforts are not wasted. My resources are not wasted. I am able to reach the very, very relevant people. And I can actually I can get the results. I can predict my results. I can predict my results, how much I am going to get. And we can always optimize our Facebook ads. We can always understand which ad copy is working, which ad creative is working, which targeting is working. So in starting, we have to do some A/B testing. We have to run different kinds of ads, different kinds of ad creatives, different kinds of ad copies. And once we know which is working, we can continue with that. You can build a whole career with Facebook ads. Facebook ads are the backbone of digital marketing success to coaches, to business owners, to consultants, to digital marketing service providers. So learning Facebook ads makes you self-sufficient, a powerful marketer. You can control your own destiny in the digital space. You can build your career as a coach faster, as a business owner faster, as an e-commerce business owner faster, with a proven method of generating leads and sales 24 into 7 with the help of Facebook ads. So we have a very, very comprehensive course on career building school for Facebook ads. This course is very comprehensive. This course has everything you need to know about mastering Facebook ads from start to finish. So this course of Facebook ads mastery on career building school is a beginner friendly. You don't need any prior ads experience. If you are a beginner, you can start with it. And if you already know, then you can know so many advanced level things in our Facebook ads course. So this Facebook ad course is perfect for coaches, business owners, e-commerce business owners, drop shipping owners, and the people who want to do affiliate marketing. So I have tried to give everything when it comes to Facebook courses, and my courses are to the point and perfect. My courses are in Hindi and English. So if you want support in English, let me know. If you want support in Hindi, let me know. Step-by-step modules designed to teach you the exact process to create winning ad campaigns. And the best thing, we have money back guarantee. You can enroll completely risk-free with our 100% money back guarantee. If you don't see the results, you have nothing to lose. We are confident in the transformation this course will bring to your business. You will learn each and everything. You will get complete support. And if you think it is not working for you, you can let me know and you will get your money 100% back. Because we provide complete and full support for lifetime from me and from my team, every step of the way. We also have live coaching calls in the morning, in the evening to answer your questions, to provide personalized guidance. So once you are confident with my ability, with my system, then you can upgrade to my live classes. Access to community of like-minded coaches, like-minded digital marketers, the people who all are learning and growing together. You will have lifetime access to all materials. You can revisit the course anytime, stay up to date with all the future updates, stay on top of changes to Facebook ad platform with continual learning. It's a one-time investment of rupees only less than 500, right? With long-term benefits. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead, click on the link in the description and enroll yourself in the Facebook Ads Mastery course. I will see you in the course and in live classes.